it's up on the hill. That's the kitchen and this is my room. I know, not ideal, but just for 3 nights. And that's me. Look at this place. Well, this is the co-working space. Can you believe it? I mean, what? God. Wow. This is where I'm gonna have my morning workout. Going to the pool now. I love it. Got my laptop. Not the beach, but I'll take a pool. I'm sorry, but what is this life? I mean, working remotely, traveling, being at these beautiful places. You know, the best thing is just like, it's not my vacation. So I'm still like working and everything. It's like extra special. This is beautiful. Sad. God. Oh, summertime. Summertime is the best time. No, this is not the beach, but just the vibe here is so zen. On a mission to find food. So apparently the closest supermarket is 15-minute walk. It's downhill for now, so it's fine, but it's gonna be uphill. And I'm dying, like I really want to eat. It's like almost 1 p.m. I haven't eaten since yesterday, 3 p.m. I think. But it's so gorgeous here. It's definitely not an island vibe, but gorgeous.
1 eternity later.
I always say Instagram versus reality. They look so cute on Instagram, man. I'm a few for this heavy bags. Well, this is definitely not my fastest run. I run, then I walk uphill. Oh, Portugal, you're killing me with your steep roads and hiking trails. Oh, but it feels good. Oh, it does feel good. New day. Good morning. I'm here. I'm ready. Like, look at this working situation. Can you believe the space, honestly? So amazing. And I think because like we only have 6 rooms here and some of them are empty, so essentially just 3 girls and then one couple, they have like own private studio. So essentially I have this working space all to myself, and this working space is everything. I'd love to have a house looking like this one day. Just like up in the mountains, close to the beach. Beautiful. Wow. Sometimes I'm like, la 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 la, go on with my day and just like forget that I'm here now. And then I snap myself out of it. I'm like, damn, I'm here. I'm like in Portugal, in Cascais, working, seeing this, living here in such a beautiful environment, in a beautiful house, surrounded by nature. We have a pool, we have sauna. I mean, what is this life, you know? What is this life? Oh. Oh my God, I literally was working and look at the sky. What's going on? Oh my God. The wind has been crazy today. Should we evacuate? What should I do? This is scary. Does not look good. Oh my God, this is legit a forest fire. I've never been in this situation before. I'm like, I have a job to finish. I like film this, but also like, what do I do? Is it dangerous? There are like helicopters carrying water, firefighters. I can smell smoke. This is scary. And this is legit the area where I had my hike this morning. It's almost 6 p.m. We're gonna go to Cascais for dinner because one of the girls is leaving tomorrow. So we'll have like a farewell dinner, but honestly, like I don't feel well today. I have decided I'm gonna go back to London on the 11th of August. I booked a ticket for a weekend on the 18th. I have a festival on the 12th. I'm like, okay, it's time to go. So probably that's what makes me so sad, because I feel so happy in Portugal, surrounded by nature and ocean and sun, and it's just this vibe is everything. And helicopters are still there. I think the fire had calmed down, but they're still doing something, which was such an intense experience yesterday. But luckily everyone's fine, we're fine, so yeah. I'm just gonna put auto replies because I'm off tomorrow and Friday. I'm gonna go and explore nearby beaches. I'm so excited. I'm definitely missing the ocean energy. So hopefully they'll pick me up and I will feel so much better after. Thursday, Friday I'm off, and Saturday I have to pack up again and go to Ursa. I booked Airbnb for just a couple of nights, 4 nights, all by myself.
What do you think that this girl... I just got...
How long it's been? Good morning. I've just woken up like literally 10 minutes ago, and yesterday I moved to rooms, so now I'm in this big huge room with a massive balcony. I'm off today. My plan for the day is go to the nearby beach. That's the name of the praia, but I kind of like want to do something active in the morning, and I don't feel like working out, even though we have like a beautiful yoga deck outside. I feel like I want to do like a hike and actually to see more. So I found this trail on All Trails app. It's like 9 kilometers, but I'm not gonna do the entire thing. I'm just gonna walk down to the beach. So I think it's gonna be like 4 kilometers, 5 kilometers. So that is the plan. I'm excited. I'm so excited about the ocean. I'm missing this sight of the ocean and the ocean waves. Even though this is so beautiful, I miss my ocean. How is, this is not like Cascais town, but it's Malveira da Serra. So it's like a nearby village. Only like residential houses are here, so just exactly the vibe I need. I feel like it's just to chill. Oh my god. I was just la 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 following this road, and then I look to my left. Oh, me. Like in London, I would take myself out on a date Saturday or Sunday to have brunch or something. And here, when I get to have a chance, I'm taking myself out on a hike, which is healthier than a brunch. Hikes are more special. Well, freezing me cold. On the way back to outside, so I'm gonna hike back to Malveira, where the outside house is, and just chill for the night. I cannot wait to take a shower. I'm so exhausted. Almost there, maybe like 30 minutes more to the house. I live up there somewhere. Okay, so it ended up being 12-kilometer hike, 3.5 hour long. Such a workout, but that's exactly what I needed today. I didn't want to work out, I wanted to do a hike, so it's exactly what I needed. And right now, after a shower, I'm just gonna be done for the day. And you know, the after feeling when you're like, yes, I did it, that's gonna be me. Can't wait for it. Like the feeling of accomplishment and just like being proud of yourself for doing that alone as well, which was very nice. Just been me and my thoughts, lots of thoughts. Now I'm officially done. God, I feel good. Such a wonderful first day. hit one more beach and then head back home. But this was so beautiful. Portugal has my heart from this day on. But the water is bloody cold. I'm just here sweating and trying to come in terms with the temperature of water so I can go in.
One eternity later.
I think I'm lost. Every trail is supposed to be marked. And I just like pulled them up. I'm so high up. Look. I'm panicking a little, but I'm still going up and up and up, and I don't know if it's right up or not. I'll be fine. It's just like my phone is running low. Okay, not panicking. I think that's where I'm supposed to be. Oh my god, my legs are crushed. Like, I wouldn't hike to the other beach. That wasn't my plan. But the community manager, she's like, oh, it's such a nice walk to the other beach. I don't know if she means this is a nice walk. I mean, I've done lots of hikes and this one is legit sketchy. So freaking sketchy. I passed the Ursa beach. Now it's another beach here. Maybe like 2 kilometers, maybe even less, to the other beach, and hopefully they have like a cafe or something to charge up my phone and go back to civilization, because she's been here all alone. It's so freaking scary. And not having a battery on my phone is so freaking scary too. So I'd rather get going. Oh my god. Oh, I'm good, I'm fine, I'm fine. Such a beautiful scenery, so I'm all fine. I'll find a way. I see people. Yes. Here we go. Praia da Adraga. Oh, finally. I see civilization. I'm so close, yet so far away. No more hikes after this one. No more hikes. I don't think I came the right way. Look, I ended up on the fucking roof. What the fuck? Alive. I'm at the beach. There is a parking. There is a cafe. I can order sangria for myself and order an Uber. I made it. Oh my god. The relief, happiness. Oh, all the feels. I'm just gonna go into the water right now. Yeah, it was definitely worth the travel. Oh, look at this.